Welcome back. I'll be talking about a final variable here. So, as you can see here, you can see that this final data type is just looks like the string data type we used earlier. Yeah, it looks the same, but it's a different thing entirely. Let me quickly explain this. So final variables are data types which is set once and cannot be reassigned. So what am I trying to say? Once I've set this variable into this data type, which I have the value here, I cannot reassign it again. What do I mean by that? I cannot reassign it? I cannot come down here again and type name equal to, I will now say maybe Frank. So when we did it with a string variable, it worked. But when we try to check the error it's showing us now, you see that it says the final variable name can only be set once. Try making name non-final. So, but when we change this final here to string, you see that it really works. So we don't have that error again here. We really don't have that error again. So the error have cleared. So this works different entirely. I'm changing it back to final. So when you are working with a final variable, we are setting a permanent value, or let's say a permanent what's it called, variable into your code. So you're just trying to tell the computer that I don't want this to be changed. I want this to remain as it is. No changing, nothing. That's what you're trying to tell your computer. Yeah, but you can actually print this out, print it out just like the way we printed the rest of this out. We can say print name, which is actually going to print the value we stored inside of name. So we stored Frank and we have Frank there, and as well we can actually play around with it and can do name.length just like we did earlier. We can say name.length, which can give us the length of the value inside here. So Frank is 5-letter word, so we have a return of 5. So we can as well check name.contents. Can check name.contents. So we have name.contents here. Can say maybe name.contents. What are we trying to check there? Maybe let's say k, and we have k here, so we are going to get a boolean response which is true because there is k there, and when we change it to 0 to O, we are going to get a false because there is no k in Frank. So this actually works the same as string data type, but it's a bit different because it's final, no changing, nothing. Once you place it, it's going to remain like that. If you really want to change it, you just go up and change it again without having to come down and say name or whatsoever equal to the new value. So we'll be talking about a constant variable in our next video. Thank you.